Hi everyone, today is Tuesday, January 1st. Welcome back. I hope you all had a really great break. I'm sorry that I'm not able to be there today. I survived the flu that everybody in my family got before break, and New Year's decided to give me strep. So I am at home until I'm no longer contagious. I should be able to come back to school tomorrow. So for today, you're going to be doing a couple of things in class while I am not there on your first official day of oceanography. So a couple of things. The first thing you're going to do in class today is you're going to be making a forecast. The forecast that you're going to make today, is one that will be either extra credit or a makeup day if you have been absent. So if you haven't been absent, this forecast will be extra credit. And what will happen is, let's say you get a 5 on today's forecast. What I'll do is I'll go in through your forecasting scores, and on a day that, let's say you got a 2, I will cross out that 2 and replace it with a 5. And we're going to do this for about 2 or 3 days. If you've been absent, these days will make up for those days that you missed while you were absent, so you can get the points that you need. Okay, so you're going to do your forecast just like we did before break. The only thing that's slightly different is you don't have a weather calendar anymore because yours is full. I'll be collecting them tomorrow. Okay, so it's still important to check the current weather conditions, even though you're not writing them down on your weather calendar. As you know, you need to know the current sorry guys. You need to know the current weather conditions in order to make your forecast. So when you're done for your forecasting, you'll turn it in, and then you're going to turn to your first topic in oceanography on origin of the oceans. So you're going to be taking some notes on this, which I'll guide you through in the second video in Canvas. Then you're going to do a little research, and then you're going to be writing an essay about this particular topic. More to come on that, but it's a short essay. It's about a paragraph. Okay, and then tonight for homework is some prep work for tomorrow's class. You're going to be reading some slides about the ocean floor features and geology. You can see it's slides 16 through 22, and you're going to copy them on to page 69 through 71. Okay, guys, so you can move on to the next things listed in Canvas. Work on your forecast. As soon as you're done your forecast, you'll open the notes video and get started. Have a great day.